Go for it.
Yeah, we already got the wheel upgrade.
Nice.
Oh, it's gonna be great.
I hope.
Oh, Super Mansion. Super Mansion, stop. Oh, so close.
Super buzz, whatever
Yeah.
that is.
It's gonna be 2 plus it goes across. So it's,
Okay.
but we were so close to the Super Mansion.
Yeah.
That would have been ridiculous. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, we get, okay. That's a good start. Oh, and it's 5 cents too. Imagine paying $25.
Oh wow. Nice. Half. Oh,
Retrigger. Man, where'd the dude go? I want to go find him
Yeah.
after this. Be like, hey, like less
Hey.
than 10 spins, we hit the buzzsaw.
If we get a good bonus, we'll give him 10.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
Maybe we will.
Come on, hats everywhere. Hats everywhere. Hats. Hats everywhere. Hats. Come on.
Okay.
Hats.
A lot of line things in there.
Hats everywhere. Hats. More hats. Retrigger. Hats.
There's 6 so far. But we want more retriggers.
Yes.
We haven't even hit the
Hats,
bonus
hats,
part and we're at
hats.
30 something. Nice.
Yes.
Retrigger. Like, look at our wins already and we're not.
Oh, they hit it too. Somebody hit it.
Something, a bonus
No, I
somewhere.
heard it over there. I heard the sauce.
Oh. Is it the golden
Hats.
sauce?
Come on, retrigger. Oh, yes.
You know what? You can get another spin in those. They'll give you another
Oh, really?
another wheel spin, yeah.
Nice.
In the mansion ones.
Oh.
Well,
Come on,
retrigger
retrigger
again.
again.
We had 10 mansions so far.
Yeah. That's good. Retrigger again, please. That's okay.
Oh, they have. The other machine's up there though too.
Nice. Coins.
That's green coin. I want to be stingy. You hit the
Let me get a blue coin,
you hit
please.
the gold buzzsaw.
Wow, that's so fine.
Yep. It's like 300, I think.
Thanks for watching.
426.